How to order new Cash App card. Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you order a new Cash App card. To order a new Cash App card, you need to open the Cash App on your phone. Then all you need is just go to the card section from the list of cards. So there you have a card section, click that out. As you click on the cards section, what next you need to do is click or from the screen select the option of report a card issue. Next, you want to select the appropriate reason for needling a card or a new card such as lost, damaged or stolen, and verify that your mailing address is correct. Decide whether to use a free shipping method 7 to 10 business days or pay for expanded shipping, that is 2 to 4 business days. After which you could input your Cash App PIN to authorize the order, and that is how you could order a Cash App card. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.